My name is Julia McLeod. I'm the author of Patchwork Luxe, Quilts from Neckties, Kimonos, and Sari Silks, published by C&T Publishing. Join me for a mini trunk show. Let's visit with Kaleidoscope Pineapple, the cover girl of my book, Patchwork Luxe. 9 pineapple blocks, you can see the silver centers of each block, form this quilt. But with 45 different striped necktie fabrics, we get this really fantastic effect of these X motifs where the corners of each block meet. It just took a bit of planning with my colors, but the construction of the pineapple block is much easier than you might think. There's an example of an irregular stripe and a symmetrical stripe side by side. Sometimes stripes meet and it looks really sharp, and other times when they don't, it matters less than you think it would. Underneath this quilt is a fabric foundation. Here's an example of one that is pre-printed by Benertex. It's called Foundation by the Yard. And here's another one that I use a lot by Easy Piecing. It's a very lightweight printed foundation. And you can draft your own, and that's shown in my book. I enjoyed making Kaleidoscope Pineapple so much that I made the same quilt again. This is called Halakaliki, which is Hawaiian for pineapple. And you can see that I've used a lot of greens in a kind of color wash, and also white from wedding dresses and a bed jacket. The quilting imitates Hawaiian quilt motifs. But again, this is just the simple pineapple block put together with a nice selection of greens. The same fabric is present in the center of each block. That's a pretty traditional approach. But this variation pleased me a lot. Halakaliki, the green pineapple. In my book, I'll show you how to build the block step by step with full color illustrations and carefully written instructions. The photos show a printed foundation in use, but you can trace your own. There's also a coloring sheet in the book, so you can photocopy that and arrange your colors as you would like them. Student work shows you that every pineapple block turns out differently. Yours will too. Patchwork Luxe. If you have a stash of neckties, kimonos, or sari silks, this book is for you. Thanks for watching this mini trunk show. I hope you've enjoyed it. Find out more about how to make quilts using silks and other challenging fabrics from my book and from my website, juliamcleodquilts.com. And visit C&T Publishing, ctpub.com, to find out about my book and so many more. Happy sewing!